आईआईटी नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में आप स्कूल ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग द्वारा जीडीएमसी ग्लोबल डिजिटल मीडिया कॉन्क्लेव का शानदार आयोजन किया गया। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश वंदना के साथ हुई। वहां उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों का बुके भेंट कर स्वागत किया गया। इस दौरान कार्यक्रम में चांसलर आप्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स एंड प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, साइबर मीडिया इंडिया लिमिटेड के चेयरमैन प्रदीप गुप्ता, कॉमर्स यूके के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर कुशल संघवी, प्रोग्राम डायरेक्टर हाउस ऑफ ईडीटेक अमन सौरभ और डायरेक्टर आप्ट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर हिमानी चौधरी मौजूद रही। इस अवसर पर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने कहा, डिजिटल मीडिया आज वैश्विक संवाद और नवाचार का सशक्त माध्यम बन चुका है। वहीं अतिथिगण ने डिजिटल मीडिया, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और उभरती तकनीकों की भूमिका पर अपने विचार साझा करते हुए युवाओं को भविष्य की चुनौतियों और अवसरों के लिए तैयार रहने का संदेश दिया। बता दें कि कार्यक्रम में शॉर्ट डिजिटल फिल्मों की स्क्रीनिंग की गई। साथ ही ग्लिच से ग्लैम तक कॉफी टेबल बुक का भी लोकार्पण किया गया। कार्यक्रम के अंत में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी अतिथिगण को मोमेंटो भेंट कर सम्मानित किया।
Well, this is the first global digital media conclave under the name and title of Elevate. We are very happy. Some of the most important people who are part and parcel of digital media, digital marketing from all over India and abroad, they're going to be here on this beautiful day where we are trying to bring down the message, the effects, causes, the promotion and anything and everything, because no industry today is left without relation. They are absolutely part and parcel of every industry today, and I'm happy that the first session has just been opened. We have inaugurated this session. Some of the best films which are made on digital been shown here, and the great pundits and the bosses of digital media, digital marketing, they are right here. I hope that this whole day, because there are more than 40 important people who are participating in full day convention, full day conclave, and there's going to be a wonderful interaction. There are panel discussions after this, and I'm sure our students of AAFT School of Digital Marketing, they learn a lot. They're going to learn a lot.
मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में कितना बदलाव देखने को मिला है?
पूरा बदलाव जो है वो डिजिटल ने ही ला के दिया है, और पिछले इन 20 सालों के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ी इनकलाब, एक बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली हुई है। लोगों ने कंपनियों को, लोगों को एक इंडिविजुअल से लेकर और मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी को पहचाना है। गूगल से शुरू होती है कहानी और मोबाइल तक की सारी बातें चलती हैं, ईमेल से लेकर और AI तक का जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट डिजिटल मीडिया के साथ हुआ है, उसने पूरी दुनिया को जोड़ दिया है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाके खड़ा कर दिया है, और पूरी दुनिया जो है वो कंडेंस हो गई है, और हर बिज़नेस में, हर काम में तरक्की है। दुनिया जो है वो एक मुट्ठी में बंद हो गई है, और हर क्षेत्र के अंदर जो है वो एक नया पड़ाव लोगों ने देखा है। काम बड़े हैं, बिजनेस बड़ा है, टर्नओवर बड़ी हैं और एम्प्लॉयमेंट बड़ी है।
So very happy that GDMC is being conducted by the Marva Studios, because digital marketing is absolutely the future as far as the entire world is concerned. There is more directional change which is now taking place in the entire industry, and therefore it is necessary for more and more people to sort of understand what the power of digital media, digital marketing is going to be, and how you can take your entire creativity to a completely new level.
So any message from your side in this digital or AI era, how to maintain originality?
So, for instance, I'll give you a very simple example. That when PowerPoint came, each of us became a designer, and each of us was able to make PowerPoint presentations. But the guys who were really good at it took it to a completely new level. So that is what is now going to happen, that AI will help us take it to a certain level, which is going to become a new normal. and the people who are creative will take it to a still higher pedestal. So that is the kind of a thing that will happen. So, I think any technological advancement actually helps creative juices to be able to do things much better.
I think it was extremely well organized, certainly well thought of, and I think the industry needs such platforms where I think companies and corporates can come together, evangelize with the students. So I think platforms like this, I think, just give that perfect challenge to be able to have companies and students come together in one platform, share ideas, share time, share pretty much just one common space.
यूथ के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप?
I certainly do believe, and I sort of said that in my session as well, that just be curious, be young, be yourself. Not a single AI job is going to take away from your job. 100%. Just do exactly what fulfills you. I think that element of being able to stay hungry, stay foolish, stay young, staying agile, and being relevant in a world which is continually changing. Yeah, and I think today's young minds have so much of idea, just so much to express. And I think just so many mediums, so many platforms, so many dimensions as well. So I think, yes, no better time for the youth of any other world than what Indian youth have, because the fact is we have the largest, youngest population.
This event has been phenomenal. I have never seen so many ads in one go, जो कि एक बार में heart touching था सीधा. And I'm also looking forward to to meeting so many people, to learning so much more new things. And I am also eagerly waiting for my experience of learning from you guys. I have been an engineer. मेरा दिमाग हमेशा प्लस और माइनस में ही चलता है. But you guys who are the real creative people, okay? I am looking forward to absorb that from you guys as well.
AI के आने के बाद से कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में?
I think AI के आने के बाद से मीडिया इंडस्ट्री और बेटर हो गई है, because now you don't need a set, you don't need an actor, you don't need a voice actor, you don't need animals, and no pets were harmed. ठीक है? In this day and age, if you have an idea, you can make it come true sitting on your computer. Okay, so while yes, AI has impacted, but I will say जितना भी negatively impact किया है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा positively impact किया, because now you are no longer a one person, you are now a one person army. So now this is on to you.